Good morning, guys. I wanted to take a minute and kind of clarify some things because it seems that we're having a little trouble finding our assignments or doing all of the parts and also turning in. So, since I'm not there to help you in class, I want to be sure that I can help you. So, right now, my Google Classroom looks a little different than yours. So what I've done is I've added my son to my Google Classroom, and then I can see it from a student's point of view. So when you go to Google Classroom, this happens to be Drew's. He's in fourth grade, so you can see the classes he has. He is in sixth grade math though. So this is what yours should look like. Okay, so it comes up, and if you notice, there's stream, there's classwork. So, and the people is just the people in the class. So what was happening was before, not everything was appearing in your stream. I have changed it, so now everything will appear here. So we can see that today I posted a new assignment that says, oh, this should say 4-2. I'll switch that. 4-2, day 13, practice converting base 10. So here is what I want you to know. Here is the post. This is the assignment. These are all the things I want you to do today. Some of you are doing step number 1 and then you stop. You need to complete all 4 of these things in order to be finished with today's assignment. So these are today's assignments, these 4 tasks, okay? So before I click into that, I just want to scroll down and show you. Oh, his looked different before. Oh, here's what I wanted to show you. So as you scroll down, you can see Drew just joined our class today, so he hasn't done any assignments yet, but you can see that it says it's missing here. So at quick glance, he can look and see, oh geez, I haven't done that yet, okay? So to get to this, you can just click right here and it will open up. I think a lot of us are not maybe doing that. Then we can access it over here if there's something that we need. The videos appear here. So here's your work. You then can click there. And then I'm trying to see where we turn in. So I'm not gonna fully do his, I'm just gonna do it really quickly. Which you've already seen how to do this, I just want it to be complete. Okay, so now I thought that there was a turn in button on here. It says share. I don't want you to share it with me, okay? What I want you to do is maybe go back in here and we click turn in here. So this is what a lot of us were struggling with. So to turn it in, we actually have to be in the assignment and we click turn in, okay? I'm gonna go back. Okay, so you can just click on this post to get there, or you could also go to classwork. This is what it looks like if you go to classwork. Then you can see the daily assignments and you can click here. Now he doesn't have yesterday's assignment. Okay, then you could click on it here if you would like. Here is my suggestion though. I would not click on it that way. Oh, you can. Never mind. I'm sorry. You can. It shows you all of your, make sure that you see this and you go over this before you just do this. When you're finished with this, make sure you go back and say, okay, did I do it all? If so, okay, I'm ready to turn in. And then remember to turn in. Let's see, we have to view the assignment to turn it in. So you have to be in this view in order to turn it in. And I think maybe some of you haven't been going in this view and that's why you were having trouble turning it in. So now you should hopefully know how to get there. So you have to be at the assignment like this, and then when you're ready, you click turn in. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it in. He didn't do it, so he's gonna get some comments that say you didn't do this. Okay. Now, if you needed to, you can unsubmit and resubmit. I just want to show you something. Sorry about that. It's making breakfast. Okay. I'm going to go to mine and show you what my view looks like. And actually, I'm going to ungrade it. So right now, 4 people have turned it in. Drew Dunn was one of them. So I'm going to click on his. So what Mrs. Dunn does is when you turn it in, I know, hey, you're ready for me to take a look at this. So I'm going to take a look. I'm probably going to write a comment. We already know Drew didn't do anything. You turned this in without being done. Please finish and turn back in. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and post that, and I'm going to return it to Drew. Now I'm going to jump back into Drew's and show you what that looks like. Oh, so now we can see it says resubmit, and you can see my comments. You turned this in without being done. Please finish and turn it back in. So he can click on this. He then can finish it. And then he has to go back to this screen to resubmit it. Okay, make sure you make those changes before you resubmit it, because every time you turn it in, I'm checking it and making comments, and I would really like to just do that one time for each student since I have 70 students. If I'm having to do it 2 and 3 times, that's a lot of times to me to look at it. Okay, so hopefully that helps you a little bit better understand where to find the assignments and what the assignments are, making sure that you follow the instructions and do them all. Now we know how to turn in, we can see the comments, we can resubmit. Hopefully that helps, and if you have any other problems or questions about that, just let me know.